Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about IBM recruitment. Also head over to our website and get all of the information plus the link to apply directly. All of this at one place in Freshers Now. And if you want regular job updates, join us to Telegram. You will be getting regular job updates. So link is provided in the description. Click on it and join us directly. IBM has opened its vacancy for Associate System Engineer. We'll be looking all of the details here. The first thing is about your role and responsibility, what you are going to do. You will be focusing on the individual and the team objectives, and you should also involve yourself in the development or professional effectiveness of the role, delivering your applications and writing codes, testing, maintaining software applications across various platforms and technologies as well. And also the key competencies that they are looking in for is programming, preferably in Java, Python, etc., and software development, lifecycle concepts. So all of this is the key skill set that they will be looking into candidate. Now, if you are appointed, where you will be placed, there are multiple job locations which are available, which are Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, NCR, Gurgaon, Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Ahmedabad. So all of these are the locations of the job. The next is about IBM, and which if you want to read, you can head over to the official website. And next one is the required technical and professional expertise. You have to be defining, analyzing and also reviewing technical architecture, various platforms regarding with the architectural options, and also with that recommendations. You should be able to demonstrate strong knowledge of the enterprise issues which are related to IT industry, IT architecture, defining and detailing and scoping with the technical requirements, bringing in solution architecture, and also the ability to be independent project with the architectural aligning in a standpoint. The next key point is having fluent interpersonal skills. The candidate should be able to write and speak English language very clearly and effectively. The next is prefer technical and professional experience is you have to design, develop, re-engineer application components and integrate software packages, programs, and also residing in multiple platforms. The ability to support the technical consults and also building various solutions, providing technical mentoring and also the guidance is the very essential key responsibility of this particular role. Now, the most key important information is what is the requirement. You should have bachelor's degree. The preference will be given if you have completed your master's as well. And the eligibility requirements, this is an entry-level on-campus hiring positions. So the candidates must be in your final year of education and must be having your good CGPA scores or your percentage scores, which is 6 CGPA, 5.8 CGPA in case if you are from Maharashtra. Then BE or BTech, MSc, MCA in CS, IT, mathematics or any other semi-IT related any sort of courses are also acceptable. Now, calculation of the qualifying marks will be equal to the sum of marks which you have obtained in your academic years. All the subjects will be considered under the calculations, which also includes elective and or the optional subjects as well. Now here is about the business unit. So if you want to know, you can just check it. And next is just a brief outlook about what we have known till now. The country which you're going to work is in India. There are multiple cities for working or job location. The primary category of this particular job is a technical specialist. The role of the position is going to be an application programmer. This is a regular contract job, and technical services and solutions is going to be the professional track which you are going to be in the company, and there is no travel required. This is a full-time job, and the service specialist is going to be the job category, and the company, as you know, it is IBM Private Limited. So if you want to apply, you can just click here and you'll be redirected to this page where you can sign in with your LinkedIn, Facebook or even your Twitter account. Or if you want to put your email and password, then you can keep it. Or if you don't have your account in IBM, if you are new to IBM, then you have to click here. It will be redirecting you to this page, which will be clearing up the privacy details. So all of this, read this properly. And after that, you will be agreeing, which is towards this column. Then you will be creating your new account. where you will be putting your email, your password. You have to re-enter your password and then select one security question, and then you can continue. Hereafter, you will be proceeding with the application status. Further queries in the comment section. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.